Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So as everybody pretty much knows at this point, Drills and Chills has started a few days ago. And I got a larger kit from Diamond Art Club, Here Comes the Bride by Mandy Manzano, and I got a medium size, like a smaller one, from Evermoment. But prior to the start of Drills and Chills, I had finished something sweet. So in between those things, I had, I don't want to say I had nothing to do because, I could have been doing other things. However, I had no time. I mean, I could have worked on one of my other whips, but I wanted something that was going to be quick and easy. And I remembered I actually remembered I had something else in the larger, cardboard portfolio that I had shown in a video where I store my stuff, other than my poured glue ones that are hanging up in the closet. I have one for other kits that are like double-sided adhesive or smaller ones like this that I didn't want to take up a hanger. Anyhow, I had ordered this and done a video on it that I will try and remember to link in the eye when I first started my channel. I had ordered this back April, I think it was like April 9th or something. I had ordered this and a army one because I have a son in the army. Anyhow, I saw this and I was like, oh, I should just do that. That will be quick and easy. I had never done a special drill painting before. And to be really honest with you, if I wasn't, had those couple days that I wasn't going to be working on another painting, I probably wouldn't have pulled this out because I had no idea how stinking cute this was going to be. Now, like I said, I ordered, it's making my camera go crazy. Sorry about that. So like I said, I ordered this back, I think it was April 9th. It was in the beginning of April. And again, I'll link the video that I unboxed it on. And I paid like $15 for it. Anyhow, I completed it today. I only had a couple more drills to lay down and I figured I might as well get this one done. I'm sorry my dog is whining. I'm going to try and bring you in. Nope, see, it's making my camera go crazy. But it just came out so pretty. I'm kind of shocked at how cute it came out. I had quite a few drills left over, so these are all the drills that came with. And like I said, I have quite a few of most of them left over, only a few of those few big ones, but yeah, it came out cute. There was a lot of junk and a lot of trash inside of the bags and kit. The green one, that's not from there. I don't even know how that one got in there. It was probably stuck in the tray, but yeah, it came out really cute. There's a couple purple ones in there. Those aren't from this either, but everything else from here, it came out of the bags, including all this little trash and bits. And this, I just kind of had quite a bit for such a small canvas to work on. However, they had plenty of drills to finish it. It came out super cute. And I don't think the trash drills from a special gym kit is really unusual. I think it has, a lot of them have a lot of trash, so from like the crystals and stuff, so I'm actually not surprised. I don't know, I guess you can see all the glitter on the canvas. So yeah, I ordered a picture frame. I'm gonna just put it in a regular picture frame, and yeah, I'm just gonna hang it up just like that because it's so cute and I really like the way it came out, and I just wanted to share it with you. After I did this one, or when I started this, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cute, I ordered a couple more special drill canvases. Now, what this was in the very beginning when I first found out about diamond painting. Since then I've realized you can get these kind of special drill canvases pretty cheap. So the ones I ordered from Diamond Painting Bliss, I think is the shop on Etsy, and another elephant one from Amazon that is really cute. And I think I ordered 2 on AliExpress as well, if I'm not mistaken. But they were all very inexpensive, like $5, $6, $8. I mean, very, very inexpensive. So yeah, I'm really excited of how it came out, and I just wanted to show you what I did while I was waiting for Drills and Chills to begin, which it has. And I'll show you where I'm at on that one while we're here on this video because it is coming out gorgeous. So this is what I got going on the top of my Here Comes the Bride. I have some sparklers. I don't know if you can see them right here in the light purple area. And I have more sparklers to just kind of go throughout this whole thing. So that's what I've started on that. And that was working on it for a few hours on the first day that it started, which was the 1st. Today is the 4th. It's not going to go up today, this video. Well, it might. I don't know. We'll see. But anyhow, yesterday I worked on it for quite a while, but the day before I didn't really work on it at all, and the first I worked on it for a couple hours because I was doing a bunch of things. So that's what's going on today, guys. I have my Drills and Chills canvas. I have my special drill elephant that I finished, and I do have more sparklers for this one, and I can't wait to, you know, make some progress and start seeing it. I think I'm going to, you saw I started at the top. I normally start at the bottom. The bottom right hand corner is where I always start. This time I did it different. So I think I'm going to do the like frame of it, and then I'm going to do her in the middle last. I think that's kind of where I'm going at. And I just get super impatient and I want to see what it's going to look like. So anyhow, that's kind of where my head's at right now, trying to let myself wait to see it and practice some patience. Anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I put a new video up. And like I said, I will try and remember to put the link in the eye for the video of when I unbox this. Bye, guys.